Welcome back. Now, much like the mind map, we can use Canva in order to display our numerical information. We can click on Create a Blank Template. Now, in this case, you will then want to choose the kind of information that you want to display. Once you've done that, you can begin to filter down to determine what it is that you want. For example, we can use the color filter and apply them. We can use the colors that we want in our graph. We can then choose a template. And so what we can do is we can display a pricing table. We can also do a bar chart if that is more appropriate. And when we click on top of the elements and we look at the menu, we can make adjustments of a different kind. We can make our adjustments in different ways. And you're going to see that here when we place the cursor on top of our data. And basically, this is where we are going to add in and alter our data in order to fit the actual graph. And what you'll notice here is that when we cursor over the data and we click on it, we can make changes to the data and alter our chart. We can also activate our brand style. And so by clicking the style area, we can change the font to our brand font. We can change the colors to our brand colors. So basically, we can take any numerical information and display it visually. Once we have our visual display as we want it to be, we can then rebrand using the elements that we have placed inside of Canva. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.